Good morning, my dear students. Today I just want to explain the features of accounting. The very first feature is accounting is an art as well as science. It's having features of both. Art is the technique of attaining some predetermined objectives. So accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing business transaction with a view to ascertain the net profit and financial position of the business enterprise. Means it's an art to record all the transactions, to classify them into ledgers, then to summarize that transaction to know the net profit. And with the help of net profit, we can ascertain the financial position of the businessman. It needs an organized body of knowledge. That's why it is based on certain specified principles. That's why accounting is also called as science. Now, second feature is we record only the financial transaction. Only those transactions or events we record which is of financial character. We never record those event or transaction which cannot be measured or expressed in terms of money, like quarrel between production manager and sales manager, resignation, or anything else. Third feature is recording in terms of money. We always record every transaction in terms of money only. Suppose a businessman purchased 200 chairs, 300 table, and so on. So we have to write all this in terms of money, that purchase of 50,000 or 1 lakh and so on. Fourth feature is classifying. After recording the transaction in journal or subsidiary books, these transactions are classified in a separate account. We classify all the transactions of one nature at one place. So separate accounts are opened in the form of ledger. Means first we record in journal. With the help of journal, we made separate heads in the ledger like wages account, salary account, advertisement account. Then we go for summarizing. Summarizing is the art of presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful to the management and other users of such data. Means the management can come to know its profit and loss. Management can come to know about balance sheet. They can come to know the financial position of the business. So these are the features of accounting process.